If your Epic Games Launcher is stuck on cloud syncing, don't worry. This is usually a simple launcher issue, a cache problem, or an internet connection issue. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes you can try right now, step by step, so you can get back into your games without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first and most effective method is to restart the Epic Games Launcher properly. Don't just close the window. You want to fully end the process. So first, close the launcher if it's open. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list for any Epic Games Launcher tasks. If you see more than one, end all of them one by one. This makes sure the launcher is completely shut down and not running in the background. After that, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and check if the cloud syncing problem is gone. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue because the launcher gets stuck trying to sync and simply needs a clean restart. If it's still hanging, the next best fix is clearing the launcher cache. Cache files can become corrupted over time, and that can stop Epic Games from syncing properly. To do this, first close the launcher again so nothing is running. Then open File Explorer and go to C, Users, Your Name, App Data, Local, Epic Games Launcher, Saved. If you can't see app data, make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Inside the saved folder, find the Webcache folder and delete it. This does not delete your games or your account. It only clears temporary launcher data. After deleting Webcache, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and let it rebuild the cache automatically. This often fixes syncing errors, loading problems, and other strange launcher behavior. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Epic Games cloud syncing depends on a stable connection, so if your network is weak or unstable, the launcher may get stuck. Make sure you're using a strong and reliable connection, and if you're connected to a VPN, turn it off for now. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic servers and cause syncing to fail. After disabling the VPN, relaunch Epic Games and test again. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem. Start with restarting the launcher, then clear the cache, and finally check your internet connection and VPN settings. That's the fastest way to get Epic Games unstuck from cloud syncing. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.